Hello everybody, so today we are gonna look at hacking with PowerShell. So far we have done the basic PowerShell yesterday, so now we are gonna look at enumeration just to be clear with this. So in this try hack me box that they have passed uh, it, that's why uh the answer might be a little bit different, but the idea or the command that we use is same to get an answer. So let's begin. So first question was, how many user are there on machine? So for that we need to use the command called give local user. So let's do enter. So this is how you get our local user. So next will be which local user does this uh, pseudo id belongs to. So for this the command would be uh, get, right? Then we can do local user. Then we can provide our pseudo id, and we have this id, right? For this to work, what we can do is come over here, paste it, right? Let me put double one, and let me just cancel this bracket, and let's come over here. So let's try that again. Sometimes it doesn't, misclicked it, so I have done it. So let me put it on bracket. So now we can see the net user. This was not found. So that's how you get it. But I told you this has been passed, so some of the command that does not work. So let's go on next, right? So how many user have their password uh, required to set to false? So if we just do get, so let me just clear this screen out. So now we can do get local user, or I could just use the above command. So we need to find, okay, let me just get location, that's not it. So uh get local user, uh the local user, and we can use where object property property equal to password required. Let me match with false, right? FALSA. Let's do enter. Now it shows only two user. So that's how you get the output. Now the next question will be, how many local group does exist? So for this also we use get local group, and we do pipe, then MEAS you are a measure. Let's do enter. It shows 25, right? And we could just do next question, that would be, what command did you get what command did you use to get the IP address? We can do get. So let's clear this out and get net IP, right? Net IP address. We can get the IP address of our system. Now Next would be to get how many ports are uh, list, listed as listening. So for this also we could do, let me just check this, right? Get net TCP connection. TCP connection, where, or we could just do, let's do measure. It shows 21. So if you, so our question is telling like how many ports are listed and listening. So for this, if we just do, we can do come back, right? We can pipe it further, elaborate this command by where object. So we can define the property pro properties state. Then we need to match with listen. Okay, let me just match with listen, LSTE and listen. Let's do enter. So now it shows 20. So that has been done. So next question is, what is the remote address of local port listening on port 445? So it has been listened. So we can get, we can do, get, right? Get, get net TCP connection, uh, then where. So we can do uh, where object equal to, so we need to match the properties, right? We can use above command. So we can do listen. So now we can see the port 445 has been used by this double semicolon. So it shows how many paths has been uh, applied. So here we can do get, uh, what is happening over here. So we could do clear this screen, right? Then we can do get, get hot fix. That's the command, and we could do enter. So this might take a few seconds. So this has been the update, and we can just do measure to count it. You are measure. It shows 27, but it was applied on 20, right? So that's why there is an error with our command and it does not match like that. Next would, our question would be, what path was with ID K402384. So we can do, so let's see, 4 3, that means 40. Let's, we can search like this. We can use the same command, right? So we need to just use get hot hotfix, host hot hot fix. Okay, let me just auto complete it. So then our ID ID was K0, K0, K or B, that's the name. So let's do paste it and let's double click K K40. So this is the command to search it, but it shows the hot cannot find the requested hotfix on a local host. That means there is no update related to this. So next one would be to find the content of backup file. So first, what we have done is earlier we need to find the file, then view this file. For this, command would be to get child item. This is very simple. So let me just clear this screen. Then I could do get child item, right? Then we can specify the path for it. uh, we have the path and c xc include, so we need to search for it. That include include. Then we have the file. So backup mostly uh, the save as .bak file. Then we need to do recurse recursors. Let's do enter. This command would search the file. Now next is searching for search for all the file containing API key. So after you have searched from here, you can do get content, right? Get content. Okay, we need a content. Okay, we don't need that. Content and file name, a file location, then give here a file location, then it will output the file. So let's clear this out. Now is search for all the files containing API key. For this to work, we need to match the pattern. So we can do for this command also, we use a wildcard for this child item, then see, then this is gonna be our command, and see, then that's recursive. Recurse, then we can do select string. So we want to match that string, right? Then we have the pattern for that. We have what pattern we have? API underscore key. So that means there is no pattern has been made. Next is what command do you do list all the running processes. For this also we use get processes. This process, let's do enter. It should show all the process. Let's clear this out. Then what is the path of a schedule task called new schedule? We could use So how can we do this? So we need to find a get schedule. That's our command. Get schedule. Get schedule task. Then we need to specify the task name. So now the task name is new schedule, new CHEDEXK task. Let's you wait, but the system can't find the file selection. All right, command is correct, but the file is on there. So who is the owner of and the C drive? So for this we can do get a al. Okay, hold on a sec. It has been on autocomplete. So ACL. So let's do enter. Now you can see the owner is this. I hope this helps. So thank you guys.